Please welcome the Program Chair for the 2022 WuXi Global Forum, Hui Kai, Vice President and Head of Content at WuXi AppTech.
Dear colleagues and friends, Happy New Year and welcome to the WuXi Global Forum 2022. 2022 marks the forum's 10th anniversary. I'm deeply humbled to see how far we have come along together. At the WuXi AppTech, helping patients and contributing to the global innovation ecosystem have always been at the core of everything we do. I'm deeply touched by the community that we have built together through the forum. What started about 10 years ago as a small gathering of 150 attendees has now grown to thousands. Today, as we celebrate the 10th WuXi Global Forum, I invite you to reflect on the significance of our industry's collective impact and what can we do better to make a bigger difference to patients. Thank you again for joining us from wherever you are around the world. Whether this is your 10th WuXi Global Forum or your first, I want to thank you. Thank you, our speakers and participants, for being part of this global community that is committed to helping patients. Welcome to today's discussions.